Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in Sting Gray. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 57,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90636A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.